This is a new vehicle to our yard, FG630. This is a 2010 Ford Falcon FG Sedan with a turboed engine, aftermarket blow-off valve, probably some other bits and pieces that are in there that shouldn't be there. This vehicle's got 4 mags, aftermarket type. 1 mag is in the boot, probably because it's bent. That's your mag style. The tyres are 235, 35, 19. The tyres are for sale with the mags. And there's a genuine Ford mag that was obviously used to replace the one that may have been bent. Interior spec is black with XR blue writing on the seats. This FG also has a tow bar and is an aftermarket type. It's also got the blue XR speedo in it. This vehicle is dismantling now at 92 Henderson Valley Road, Auckland, New Zealand.